What's going on, everybody? Dylan here with Dylan's Home Espresso Bar, and today we are reviewing the all-new hand grinder by Eureka. It's called the Baby Hand Grinder. So this hand grinder was sent to me by Eureka, so I'm just disclaiming that right now. All of my thoughts and opinion are going to be of my own, and I am going to give you my honest feedback of things that I love about this grinder and things that maybe leave me scratching my head just a little bit. But let's go ahead and get started. So right out of the box, it is a very nice premium built hand grinder. It's super heavy, super premium quality. And if you know me and you follow the channel, I am a mobile coffee business owner, and all of my stuff is made of like natural wood tones. So I am a huge sucker for natural wood, as this is. It's got a nice laser engraved Eureka emblem there. The build is exceptional, so I'm going to take the top cap off here so you can get a closer look. It's made of like a ceramic up here, and it's metal and like a aluminum. So here it does a good job displaying fine and coarse with some cool touches of some coffee beans. Super easy to adjust. You just pop that top cap on and adjust based on this handle. So you just hold this top cap and make your adjustments. So a little bit closer, like so. Super easy. Each click, from my experience, has been each click finer will give you about 8 seconds longer shot time, and a click to coarse usually gives you about an 8 seconds quicker shot time. That's based on my experiences. So overall build is great. Top cap is great, fits on amazingly. The one thing that does leave me scratching my head just a little bit, and it's just a little bit probably just me, but if you can hear this sound, I'm going to put it to my mic. So there is some kind of squeaking noise that goes on in here. You could probably add some WD-40 to it and it would be fine, but I just don't want to add any kind of grease to this because I am very particular in how clean I keep my items, but that is something that I can overlook when I'm grinding. It's only about a minute's worth, so not bad. The average grind time for espresso for me with this hand grinder is about 45 seconds, which I have used grinders that have been dialed in the exact same. That's been around a minute and 20 seconds. The ergonomics of this grinder is one of the reasons why. So it does give you a nice sleek body, so it fits in the hand super well. It does not slip because of the natural wood. It's not going to impact anything down here or the adjustment of the espresso or the grind because the knob to switch that is on top. So it does give you a nice ergonomically designed handle and arm to where you can grind in pretty fast speeds, which is pretty cool. Now, I do love the way that this bottom catch cup looks. As you can see, it's made out of that ceramic. I can say, though, that if you do choose to purchase this hand grinder and you have kids that are running around, just be careful, as, like I said, this is a ceramic cup and it could get broken and damaged super easily. So just make sure that you have it in a place that is stored safely and not going to fall off of like a shelf or anything like that. Now, with that being said, how much I love the cup, there is something that does bother me just a tad, and that's the amount of coffee grinds that do get stuck inside. No matter how much I tap it, I do get a little bit of coffee grinds that are still left in the cup, and it is pretty hard to clean out. Other than that, it's not a huge deal. All you do is just give it a couple taps and then pour it into a cup. Now, one thing I do love about this is it does transfer into a 58 millimeter dosing cup very nicely. Here is my 58 millimeter dosing cup. So you just set that right on top. It fits pretty nice on top there. And then you just tip it over, release. And now you can do the same with your portafilter. And now you have a easily transferable grind cup to portafilter. So that is a super nice touch. The threading on here feels premium and smooth to just bring it straight back onto the body of the hand grinder like so. Overall, I've enjoyed using this hand grinder with espresso. It's been super easy to grind. Like I said, about 45 seconds for me to grind for espresso. I do about a 1-to-2 ratio. So I grind about 18 grams, 36 out in about 27 to 30-second range, depending on the coffee. And to be honest, it is one of the more premium hand grinders that I have had. And I can honestly say that I have thoroughly enjoyed the hand grinders. Again, this is my first look, my first review, and thoughts and opinions on the Eureka baby hand grinder from Eureka. And all I can say is it has not disappointed so far, and I cannot wait to keep using it. And a big shout out and thank you to Eureka for sending me to review. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe, as I enjoy having my content being showed to the world of coffee, and we are just a big loving community. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Have a good one. Peace.